What is going on, everybody? Your Power BI guide here, and today we're diving deep into the wild world of DAX. We're tackling 5 of the most frequently misunderstood functions in Power BI SUMX: calculatable, earlier, filter, and divide. Let's get started. First up, we have SUMX, the row-by-row summation superhero of DAX. SUMX iterates through each row in your table, performs a calculation, and then adds up the results. Let's say you're calculating total revenue from sales data. You might be tempted to use a simple sum function on the sales amount column. But what if you have different quantities sold for each transaction? Sum alone won't cut it. By using SUMX, you can multiply the quantity by the unit price for each row and then sum up those individual product totals to get your grand total revenue. Remember, when you need to perform a calculation at the row level and then sum up the results, SUMX is your go-to function. Next up is CALCULATETABLE, the master of manipulating filter context within your DAX calculations. Think of filter context as the lens through which your data is being viewed. CALCULATETABLE allows you to modify this lens to get the precise results you need. Imagine you have a table of sales data and want to analyze sales for a specific product category. You can use CALCULATETABLE to create a virtual table that only includes sales data for the selected category. Its true power lies in its ability to modify the filter context for other calculations, ensuring accurate results. Chapter 3. Earlier. Time traveling in your data. This function allows you to reference a value from an earlier row in your current context. Let's say you want to compare the sales of a product in the current month to its sales in the same month of the previous year. Earlier helps you achieve this by accessing the sales value from the previous year's row while you're iterating through the current year's data. It works within the current row context, which means it refers to the previous row within the current filter context. Clearly define your row context using functions like filter or calculatable before using earlier to ensure accurate references. Chapter 4. Filter. Become a DAX, data detective. This function allows you to create a subset of a table based on specific criteria. Imagine you have a table of customer data and want to segment customers who have made more than 5 purchases. Filter lets you create a new table containing only those high-value customers, allowing for targeted analysis and reporting. A common mistake is to treat filter as a standalone function. Its true potential is unlocked when combined with other DAX functions, like using filter within a calculate function to modify the filter context based on your criteria. Filter is a powerful tool for data segmentation and analysis, especially when used in conjunction with other DAX functions. Chapter 5. Divide. Safe and sound division. Divide gracefully handles division operations while providing built-in error handling. It takes 2 arguments, the numerator and the denominator. If the denominator is 0, it returns a blank value instead of throwing an error, preventing your calculations from crashing and burning. You can customize the error handling by providing a 3rd argument to divide, allowing you to return a specific value, message, or even an alternative calculation in case of division by 0. When it comes to division in DAX, play it safe and smart with divide. DAX mastered. Congratulations! You've made it to the end of our DAX deep dive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more Power BI tips and tricks. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future DAX adventures. Until next time, keep those DAX skills sharp, and I'll see you in the next video.